it's Fuzzy. Okay, you guys, the Litter Genie. Now, this is the Easy Roll model. Okay, so I wanted to wait to do the review until it was pretty much right full, and you can see the litter in there now. And this is 5 days, well, 6, I skipped yesterday. 5 days of cleaning with 4 cats. Okay, it fills up pretty fast. This particular model comes with a roll of bags already with it. I'll show you how to do that in a second, and they're down below. But anyway, okay, so this here is a slide. So when you do have it full, or you dump your litter in that particular day, you close this slide in, and that traps the air in, okay, the smell and whatever have you, down inside there, so on and so forth. Okay, this is your lid, and that, of course, I can't close this right now because there's litter right there. We're going to change this bag. We're going to see how easy it is. First time, we'll see how it goes. Okay, so we're going to open this up. There's a little button right here. You push that, and this opens up. Now you can see where the bag clips on to some plastic right here. Hooks, okay? And they're right there. You can see it, okay? It does come with a shovel cleaner, and they're not really strong. They're kind of flimsy. But not bad. But we do have a metal one that we use just because we know how much litter there is, and how big the cats are and how much they go. So this here clamps on the side. And all right, let's get this out. Now this is really full. I encourage you probably not to fill it this much, but I just did it anyway just so I could do a demonstration. Okay, so what I'm going to have to do is puncture this litter down. Now there's a lid back, or a little flipper back here, so watch this. Okay, so you flip this up, and then you can pull that bag out. Okay, I just had it too full in order to flip this up, so I pounded the litter down in order to get it out. Okay, all right, let's see if we can get this out without ripping the bag. Now normally you're not going to fill it this full, so all right, there you go, right there. Look at that. Now that is a full bag right there. Okay, so now you got another bag coming out with it. You just rip this off, leave that there, and then we're going to go discard this, and I'll be right back. Whew, that was a lot. Holy cow. Okay, so you take your new bag, and you just throw it on top of here like this. Flip it around there. Hook it on. There we go. Close this up. And there it is. Okay, so now on the bottom, and this is what it looks on the outside or the back, okay? Now on the bottom, you've got a opening where you put your bags, okay? And that's right here. Just flick this down, and there's your bags right there. So now when you do a replacement box, you just throw it in there and take the bag up and put it on your hinge and lock it in. Okay, so that's where that is. Okay, and that's where the little handle shovel goes right there. Okay, so now what you can see, and I want to show you this. Okay, so there's your opening. So when you want to do your litter, just open that up, and the bag opens right full. Okay, and then when you got the litter already in and all done, close this up, and you can't. The smell stays in there, and I haven't smelled any litter, and it came out really nice and clean. Just be gentle. You don't rip the bag, and I showed you how heavy those bags are. So it can take a lot, right? And there you go. There's the Litter Genie Easy Roll. This particular model is nice and simple, and it comes with your instructions. So make sure you read that if you need to. And let's see, there's some other stuff that comes with it. But all in all, great product. All right, that's my review. Thanks for coming, guys.